Okay. For computer, you all just make one copy, one ruled copy for computer. Okay, yes, Tanvir, what happened? You just called everyone from your home to see my background. Okay, this is virtual background, by the way. Understandable? Is it up to this? I think no problem. একটা খাতা লাগবে কম্পিউটারের জন্য শুধু if we are going to write a very few things. So let's start our syllabus. Okay, without further talking, let's start our syllabus. And while you are doing the class, writing in the copy, this is mandatory to put CW, today's work, or chapter name. Generally, if I'm going to use the whiteboard, I'm using those things, but if not, you shouldn't forget to use those things. Okay, so here I am just stopping my video, and also I am just sharing the screen. If you can't see, then only you will just tell me. If you can't see, then only raise your hand. If you can't see, then only raise your hand. If you can't see what I told Priyam, if you can't see, Priyam,
hello ma'am, I am seeing.
You are?
Ma'am, আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি বলে রেজাল্ট করেছি।
দেখতে পাচ্ছ না?
দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
দেখতে যারা পাবে না তারা রেজাল্ট করতে বলেছে।
Hello, ma'am. Can I?
Yes. Who?
Ma'am, can I read the chapter?
No. Ahornish Mitra. Okay, your name. কি?
আপনার ছবিটা দেখান।
Boy, what I have shown over here, only these things you see. Okay, I'm just keeping the options to unmute, but don't unmute. If I'm going to see that you are talking very much, I will just keep all of you mute, and I will not just open that option for you. Okay, so first here, what I am marking over here, you all need to mark those things. Also today we will write a very few things. Please, so first syllabus is this 2 chapter is your FA1, right? By pencil you just mark FA1 syllabus. By pencil you just mark the FA1 syllabus. So afterwards you will start this chapter. So here you all can see, while you are opening your Blu-ray book, here a very good thing is there. The entire chapter has been read out. Okay, this is written. Okay, see.
Ma'am, I can't hear anything.
Can't see my?
No, ma'am, I can see the screen, but I can't hear anything.
You can't hear anything?
No, ma'am.
Is there anyone who?
Cannot hear any sound.
My sound you are getting though?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so do one thing. This is actually, I think, since this is from the app I have opened, this entire chapter has been only read out. Read out means just পড়েছে ওরা line by line. Okay, so আমি এটা then I'm just closing these things. No need to just worry. I am reading this chapter and I am marking few lines, okay, which are mandatory, which are important, or whatever the informations are there. So all of you, please mark with me. Okay, so I'm marking by red since I don't have much more options. Okay, I'm marking by red. You all just mark by your pencil only. Okay, no color pencil is not needed to mark the blue. Now,
Okay,
computer, Computer, a smart machine. We all know computer can do various kind of works, like we can see movies, we can edit movies, right? Like the way I gave the example in the first only, that Avengers কি সবাই আসলে মারপিট করেছিল না, everything is getting shoot in a green background, একটা সবুজ রঙের পর্দা টাঙিয়ে পুরো সিনেমাটা শুট করেছে, করে ওই পিছনে ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড গুলো ওই কম্পিউটারে গ্রাফিক্স বলে এটাকে, ওকে, নো নিড টু টক, গ্রাফিক্স দিয়ে দিয়ে পুট করেছে, ঠিক আছে? সো উই ক্যান ডু ভেরিয়াস কাইন্ড অফ ওয়ার্ক। নাও থিঙ্ক অ্যাবাউট ব্যাংক। ওকে, ব্যাংক ইজ অ্যাটলিস্ট কিছুটা জানো, ব্যাংকে আমরা এই যে টাকা জমা দিচ্ছি, টাকাটা আমাদের অ্যাকাউন্টে আপডেট হচ্ছে, আমরা এটিএম দিয়ে টাকা তুলছি, সমস্ত কিছু হিসাব নাওয়াডেজ কে রাখছে? ব্যাংক, এই কম্পিউটার রাখছে, প্রতিটা ব্যাংকের হচ্ছে সিস্টেমে ওদের কম্পিউটার্স লাগানো আছে, সেগুলো রাখছে। Like this way we can do many things, okay? And in your most good example is what? Our online class. Okay, if here is no computer or something like that, this was impossible for us to take the online class. Okay, so here all of you can see that most machines are dedicated machines, but that can do only one type of work, but computers can do various tasks. So here only mark various tasks like draw and color pictures, paint, you all I think know, if not it is in your practical part, there I will cover. Do calculations, write letters, play movies, teach lessons, play music, check spellings, prepare budgets, and maintain the account. So everything can be done, and computer is an electronic machine. So why I am marking from these parts are very important. Why it is important? Because I can give the questions from here. Because you all know that FA1 is going to be a MCQ. MCQ means multiple choice question. চারটে অপশন দিয়ে দেওয়া হবে, সেখান থেকে তোমাকে একটা অপশন বেছে নিতে হবে। So it's very easy, just mark করো বইটা। Next, working of a computer. আর এইটা this video what I was showing you, I don't know that in your app is there or not. If there, please watch it. Only the chapter is read out. Okay. Working of a computer. Computer is also a machine. It works on the principle of IPO cycle. Input, process, output cycle. In IPO cycle, data and instructions are entered into machine, they processed, and finally results is given out. Only mark this. After that I will give you an example, and from there you will get to know. After this class also I will upload this class also. Okay, so please go and check the YouTube video. If you miss anything, network is issuing, for those people I am just uploading everything, so mark those things. So I'm clearing those things and going to the next page. Here for input output cycle, you can see that one example is given. Example is banana shake. Banana shake means banana, milk, and sugar. They put everything into a mixture. Yes, and the banana shake is the output. So
Once again,
here,
আর একবার 5টা দেখান, 5 পেজটা।
that page I have erased. I can't do anything. I will upload these things in your classwork or YouTube video. From there you will just you can just check. This is actually input. Okay, this is actually process. Okay, and this is actually known as what? This is known as output. Okay, this is called as input output cycle. So here IPO cycle, I am giving you one more example. No need to copy this thing, you just see this. If I am going to tell that this thing you need to copy, those things you will copy down in your copy. Okay, I will tell where to copy and where not to. IPO cycle means input. Suppose I am taking online class. So what I have to do? Turn on computers, turn on computers, and what I have to do and give details means কোন ক্লাস নেব তার পাসওয়ার্ড মেল আইডি আমাদের দিতে হয়। Turn on computers and give details. Give details. After that processing, what is the processing? Processing actually আমরা খুব একটা দেখতে পাই না, লাইক দ্য ওয়ে মিক্সিটা খুলে তো আমরা কেউ দেখি না যে ভিতরে মিক্সিটা কিভাবে পেস্ট করছে। So processing processes is inside Zoom, it is getting done. Inside Zoom app it is getting done. And what is the output? Output is your online class. Okay, output is your online class. So is it clear? Right? This is actually IPO cycle. These are known as the IPO cycle. Next features, মানে computer কি exactly করতে পারে? Speed, accuracy, storage, diligence, versatility. I will just explain everything one by one. Speed means computer is very fast. Okay, suppose I'm giving you addition of 100 digits, 100 digits and 100 columns. Okay, so it is impossible for you to calculate all those things. But if you are going to use computer, this will be very much faster. Only you will put the digit, click on some button, it will be getting done.
Ma'am.
Okay, the computer can do everything very fast. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, IPO cycle we write.
What I told, this thing you don't need to write. Follow every word. Okay, don't interrupt in between the class. If I am giving you instruction to write, I will give some time as well as. Okay, here only see.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, after that, okay, thank you. Please keep your
Ma'am.
assignment.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the IPO cycle, what you have written the meaning of process in the left side of the screen?
Process inside Zoom. Means
Okay,
inside Zoom, everything is taking care. Okay, no need to write this thing. No need to write this thing. This is for your understanding purpose only. Okay.
Yes.
What you have to write, I will tell that thing. What you have to write, that this thing. Who is talking like this nonsense? This session is getting recorded. You all know. Shoptoparna. Please check. This is getting just uploaded. This thing will be uploaded in the YouTube. If sir is going to see, na, sir will scold you only. Accuracy. Accuracy is already I told. Very fast, the 100-digit addition everyone can do, and this can be done very fast. Okay. Now here I'm just going to say a few more things, like storage. Computer can store lots of informations. Okay, আমরা অনেক videos, movies আমরা কিন্তু store করে এর মধ্যে রাখতে পারি. Next is diligence. Unlike human beings, computers are highly consistent. They do not suffer from human traits of boredom and tiredness. Suppose আমি 3টে ক্লাস করলাম, প্রচুর গরম পড়েছে, মাকে বললাম আমি আর পারছি না, I am very tired, বোর হয়ে গেলাম, বিচ্ছিরি ক্লাস হচ্ছে স্কুলে। So computer does not suffer from this. If I am going to take 10 class, computer is always with me. What is 10? 100 class, the computer can do. Okay, so this is called of, this type of things are called as diligence. Next is versatility. Computers are versatile machines that can perform many tasks and used in almost all fields. Okay, all fields I told already. In bank it is used, in the railway service it is used, in the aeroplane or in the on that means air service we are saying that everything is getting used. Everywhere it is used. Online shopping we can do. So means without computer our life is not there, actually we can say. Next is classification of computer. So classification here, I want to mark few things like based on, sorry. First, based on the mode of data representation. Data representation means what? কম্পিউটার কিভাবে ডেটাগুলোকে নিচ্ছে, প্রসেস করছে এবং আউটপুট দিচ্ছে, তার বেসিসে কম্পিউটারকে ফার্স্ট we are dividing computer in more, means in 3 categories. First is analog computer, okay, next is digital computers, and third is hybrid computer. You are not having highlighted, just mark those things, okay. Next, here you can see analog computer is a form of a computer that uses continuous physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical or hydraulic quantities to mode of the problem being solved. Examples are digital thermometers, speedometers. Okay. So here I am saying that continuous signals they are taking as input. Digital thermometer we all are having that at our home. Okay. So these are the example of our analog computer. Digital computer which we are mostly using. These are actually digital computer. Next is what? As its name itself clear, it works with digits of zeros and ones. In the other words, digital computer is a counting device. All the expressions are coded with binary digits called a bit. This information represented in the digital computer in group of bits, okay, and these zeros and ones is called binary numbers, okay. So computer, we can say that computer don't understand rather than 0 and 1. 0 and 1 ছাড়া computer কিন্তু কিচ্ছু বোঝে না আর, okay. Up to this I think everything is clear. Next, coming to hybrid computer, it is a combination of analog computer used in continuous system, also non-linear discrete features of a digital computer such as storing values, logical operations and switching. Where it is used, বড় বড় ক্ষেত্রে use হয়, nuclear power plant, mines, weather forecasting system, everywhere this type of computers are getting used. Means এখানে স্পেশালি এই কম্পিউটার গুলো ডিজাইন করা হয় কোনো না কোনো পারপাসের জন্য। মাইনে কয়লার খনিতে, মাইন্স মিন্স কয়লার খনিতে যেরকম কম্পিউটার লাগবে নিশ্চয়ই সেটা আমার বাড়িতে লাগবে না, রাইট? বাড়ির কম্পিউটারও অনেক কিছু করতে পারে, কিন্তু সেখানে হচ্ছে স্পেসিফিক জিনিসপত্র দেওয়া কম্পিউটার দরকার, যে অক্সিজেন লেভেলটা খনির ভিতর ঠিক আছে কিনা, সবাই সেফ কিনা। Like this way, here, which type of computer is getting used? Hybrid computer. Okay. So here, what I am going to write now, please listen. I have kept you, all of you, mute. These things you need to write. Okay. So write in your copy by giving CW and today's date. Classifications of computer. Here write based on mode of data representation. These things you need to write. Mode on these things where I am typing in the right side, these things you need to write. Okay. So first is what? First is actually analog computer. Next is digital computer. Please write those things, okay? Again, I'm repeating by giving chapter name, chapter 1 we are doing, CW, and today's date also. Okay. And the third. So these are three categories of computer we are generally using. These things you need to write. These things you need to write. Okay, by giving CW in your copy, and today's date is what? 18/5. 18/5, and this is chapter 1. These things means copy should be like this, neat and clean. Okay, you can't write in this format like the way I have written, but you can just write like CW chapter 1 and date in your computer copy. Make one new copy for that. Please write those things very fast. So I hope everyone has written. If done, please raise your hand. Okay, so I'm rubbing this all things. We are going to start that. Is there anyone who has not done? Please raise your hand. Okay, so we are going to next we are starting to classification based on size and processing power. Size and processing power means what? Size and processing power means কতটা বড় বা কতটা ফাস্ট কাজ করে বা কি কি কাজ করে তার বেসিসে আমরা আবার কম্পিউটারকে we can just divide. Okay, so here just mark those things that based on size and processing power. Okay, so here first you mark over here That's supercomputer, mainframe computers, and mini computers. Supercomputer, mainframe computer, and mini computer. Okay. Supercomputers are where it is getting used. You can see that these are very large and powerful computers that are roomed to all sizes. This type of computer is typically used for কোথায় use হয়, these are very important. Scientific and engineering application to design weapons, weather forecasting, and biomedical analysis, research, and aircraft design. Okay, nowadays means if you can see that many surgeries are getting operated with the help of computer, like microsurgery নাম শুনেছি। ওখানে হচ্ছে পেটের ভিতর হয়তো কিছু হয়েছে, কি করা হয় না, একটা ছোট্ট ফুটো করে জাস্ট তার মধ্যে দিয়ে ক্যামেরা আর যন্ত্রপাতিগুলোকে ঢুকিয়ে দেওয়া হয়, তারপর অপারেশনটা অপারেট করা হয়। This kind of things are actually getting done by those kind of computers. Next, mainframe computer. Mainframe computer main work is to just process a large amount of data. Okay, so bank, airlines, railway reservations, okay, their data they can process, capable of processing data at very high speed. Okay, so these computers are getting used over here. And lastly, mini computers. These are small versions of mainframe computers designed to support more than one user at a time, but take up to 2,200 users at time. It is not portable and expensive and general slots of heat. Okay, so up to this, I think no problem up to this page. Everyone, please give a nice reading and tell me. From tomorrow,